Hello everybody, it is time for the February 2026 garden update. As you can see, I've been doing some cleanup. And if you can look closely, there are things beginning to come out and turn green. So that's wonderful. Got things trimmed up, and some good news, it looks like perhaps all of my herbs from last year are going to come back. So that's going to save a little bit of money. Might need a little bit here and there, but I think we're pretty good shape. Of course, we'll need the dill replanted, because that doesn't ever come back, but overall, I couldn't be happier. Of course, not much right there at the moment. Of course, during the ice storm, my citronella and hollyhocks finally froze all the way. I do have a replacement citronella plants, and it's to be determined on the state of the hollyhocks. I do have seed though to replace those if needed. Hanging baskets are just sitting here ready to be redone here in about 2 or 3 weeks. There's the other one, and put the same stuff in them. They look pretty good. And then my vine here looks like it needs a little water, but it's doing its thing. Over here are my replacement citronella plants and my tomatoes and peppers ready to go in the ground. A little bit early yet, but March definitely going in the ground. The flower bed up by the lean-to, not doing much right now, but it will be uncovered pretty soon and get to planting it back out again. See what comes back up from 2025. If any of this stuff over here survived, I highly doubt it, but that's okay. We can replace it. As expected, ground cover is going to have to be trimmed back. Didn't completely freeze it back this year, thank goodness, but it's good. Of course, AC cleaning will be coming pretty soon, probably within the next 3 or 4 weeks. I like to have that knocked out by the middle of March, so that'll be probably coming out in April. So a little while on that yet. This Turk's cap in the middle of the backyard. Don't see any signs of life just yet, but I have hopes that it'll make a full recovery again. Haven't started on this little flower bed by my workshop yet. A little bit early, but I'll be getting back here and cleaning up as soon as I get around to it. Lots of trimming needing to be done in the test bed. That's okay. I'll get it done and go on our merry way. You got a lot of little plants coming up in the border here. Very glad to see I can transplant those to other spots and be a little bit less I have to purchase. Like for example, I've got a plant coming up there, one of those, it's a salvia plant. I think it's got the white flowers on it, so I might move that over to the north side and start one over there. I do have some plant life coming back through, so that's why I need to get this old growth out of the way where the new growth has room to fill back in. There's some yarrow coming up there. Daylilies, different things here and there. Some kind of salvia plant there. It's already got a bloom on it, so I think I need to get myself in gear and get this cleaned up this weekend. And I do have signs of life on this Turk's cap over here, so that's fantastic. Vegetable garden update. I've got a little bit more lettuce and cabbage planted out over here. In January I planted the onions and they are thriving. Just a week or 2 ago, I had planted the potatoes, so that should have already been seen, and I had mentioned that when I scout my yard, I'll put the grass clippings on for mulch to help maintain the soil temperature, keep in moisture. And I did that before I put any product on the lawn. Carrots have been planted. Not seeing any coming up yet, but they are planted. They take a little while to germinate. Onions are looking wonderful. Got a good rain to water those in. and they are thriving away. I've got various lettuce here. A couple of iceberg lettuce there. Had a few potatoes left over, so I planted those right there on that little row. Asparagus is already starting to grow. Had one meal already. You can see a little bit coming up there. Nice beefy asparagus. Very tasty. My broccoli is planted in this little bed this year. Already looking pretty healthy. I got 18 plants in there. And this asparagus over here is also coming up. Had a little work to do on the irrigation, but pretty well got that knocked out. I have a video on a sprinkler head, not a sprinkler head. I have a video on a control valve that malfunctioned. So I don't know, probably March that video will be coming out. Zone 7 it was. Of course no 4 o'clocks just yet. They won't be long. And quite a bit of asparagus coming up over here. Had a few extra onions, so I planted a row right here. I've got to get this amended and tilled up, and we'll be set to plant all the beans over here. And then this spot will be lettuce and stuff like that. So I really need to get that done this weekend, because it's certainly time to plant all that stuff. The south bed on the south side of the house still needs to be cleaned up all the way. The iris are growing pretty well already. I started a little bit over here by the gas meter, but simply ran out of time for the day. Got a little bit of activity in the yellow flower bed. That's nice to see. I cut that chrysanthemum down the other day. The tropicals are coming up, as are the St. Joseph lilies. And the hot Parker plant's also coming up, so that's pretty cool. Got a little bit more cleanup to do in here, and it'll be ready to plant out those pentas that grow really well in this flower bed. Looks like I'm going to be battling the Unimus scale. So I've already sprayed once with the dormant oil, and looks like they are just itching to take over this plant, so I have to spray them down with water and then start treating them again. Probably have to go nuclear on them this year, because it looks like they're healthy, and we don't want them to be healthy. So here's these chrysanthemums that have white flowers on them. Cut those back, and they're already putting on some new growth. Of course, no hanging baskets just yet. I have planted my petunias in the flower bed by the mailbox with some snapdragons, kind of a pink and white theme this year. I finished cleaning up the flower bed in the middle of the yard and planted some more snapdragons there. Definitely tell spring has sprung, because the daffodils are coming out and blooming pretty nicely this year. Look at them from this side. This middle section's doing a little bit better. It's all peaked out, so it's all on a downhill slope now, so we'll be waiting on iris and stuff like that to come out next. I got a fair amount of work done on the north flower bed. Still more to do, but it's coming along. Got all the iris uncovered so they can sprout out and grow and hopefully bloom. And earlier I had mentioned I scalped the yard, so it's not doing much yet. Front yard. That's what the side yard's looking like. Starting to green up, actually. We'll pan from this side. The bluebird's back. that's wonderful. There it goes. And we'll take a final look from this side. Activity is really starting to pick up around here. We got to finish planning out some stuff and getting the lawn equipment up and running. So a lot to go on, and spring is coming fast. So once again, this is a February garden update for 2026. Thank you for watching.